expressions. You know how to do this type of quadratic expression, how to find the factors of this type of quadratic expression, x square minus 5x plus 6. You know, this type of one really easily we could get the factors, you know, so that firstly you need to get the factors of 6 so that you can take here minus 5, and when you multiply the taken digits you should get plus 6 as well. 2 times 3 6, and also minus 2 minus 3 equals to minus 5. Therefore here we write that then when you add these two, then minus 2x minus 3x minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x and minus times minus plus 2 times 3 is 6. So now we can get the factors here that x times x minus 2 and minus 3 times minus times plus minus x minus 2. So x minus 2 times x minus 3 are the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. How to do this type of one? X square minus 5xy plus 6y squared, right? So previously given question was, you know, the x square minus 5x plus 6. Now here I added here the term y here, the term y and y squared here. So same thing users here, same way users to get the factors of a question this type of one, you know, 6, get the factors of 6 so that you can take when you multiply you could get here 6, and when you add this minus 2 and minus 3 you would get minus 5. So don't forget, here we divide, we get the factors of 5x, that writing that minus 3xy, sorry, you write here as minus 2xy minus 3xy minus 2xy minus 3xy equals to minus 5xy, and also here plus 6y squared. Now you can take the term x as the common factor, x into x minus 2y, and here also it takes the common factor as minus 3y, then here x minus times plus minus 2y, so x minus 2y times x minus 3y. Okay, now we can get the factors of this type of one, you know, using the knowledge of factors. Using the knowledge of factors, you need to get the value of this expression using the knowledge of factors. So here 7 times 5 plus 12. How do you get the fact? How do you find the value of this one using the knowledge of factors? You could see when it comes to your textbook, this type of question is in the textbook, right? These types of questions have given in your textbook. So 5 squared plus 7 times 5 plus 12. How do you get the how do you find the value of this one really? You know, without using the knowledge of factors, we are able to find the value of this one. You know, 5 squared is 25 and 7 times 5 35 plus 12. We could get the value of this one 25 plus 35 plus 12, 5 plus 5 10 plus 12 remain, this one 3 plus 6 plus 1 7. Bear in mind the answer of this one is 72. 72 is the answer. Okay, but we need to get the value of this expression using the knowledge of factors. How do we get the value of this one using the knowledge of factors? So you could substitute that if x equals 5 here, we substitute that x equals 5 here, then here, I mean, instead of 5 we could substitute that x, right? Instead of 5 we could substitute that x. So here x, here x. So now I write here that I take this x 5 as x, right? 5 is written as x. So 5 equals to x, or x equals to 5. So instead of this 5, I write here x. So when I do so, here x squared plus 7x plus 12. Now you would see, but don't forget, according to the question, according to the given question, the answers, the factors should be taken, otherwise you will not be given full marks. So here get the factors of 12 so that you can get 7 here. So this type of one really you can do. The factors can be taken as plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. So we'll get the term x as the common factor. So x into x plus 3, and here plus 4 times, then 5 plus times plus plus 12 upon 4 3. Then x plus 3 times x plus 4 are the factors of this x plus 7. Okay, but this is not the answer. X squared plus x plus 3 times x plus 4. X plus 3 times x plus 4 are the factors. But don't forget, we took that 5 equals x, right? 5 equals x. So for x, we could substitute that 5. Then 5 plus 3 times, here multiplication, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 8 times 9 is 72. Previously we took this answer, but don't forget, when you get the answer, you shouldn't simplify. You should not use the normal way of simplifying, of getting the answer. So here you need to substitute that x equals 5. Previously I taught you. If you want, you could pause the video and you will learn again. So therefore, this is the way of obtaining the value of an expression given, that you could use the knowledge of factors to get the answer, value of this type of expression. Okay, so and also, how can you find the factors of this type of one, x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4? Really, this segment relates with difference of two squares. So this x to the power 4 can be written as x to the power 2 times 2. So this is equal to x to the power 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. And also this y to the power 2 to the power 2 also can be written as y to the power 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So instead of this part, we could write that x to the power 2 to the power 2. And also, instead of this y to the power 4, we are able to write that y to the power 2 to the power 2. Right now, here is a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So we could write that x squared minus y squared, x squared plus y squared, x squared minus y squared. Again, don't forget, we can factorize this taken expression here, that x squared plus y squared. This can be stated as x plus y times x minus y. These are the factors of this expression. This cannot be expanded more. We've not been taught, really, we don't know about, really we can't get the factors of addition of these two squares. Therefore, the answer of this one is x squared plus y squared times x plus y times x minus y. Okay, I will be teaching you, I will be doing more videos of factors, and when it comes to the other lessons of grade 10 as well in the near future. So if you are a new student to my YouTube channel, you could subscribe my YouTube channel, you could share with your friends, and also if you wish to join my online classes, you are able to join. Okay, then I'll be teaching you, I will be doing more videos in terms of your benefit in the future as well. Thanks a lot.